Ain't nobody better not ask me if this is my hair, because yes, it is.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is KayTill and I am back with another video. If you are new here, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Okay. So in today's video, I will be doing my hair, little wash and go. I'm just kidding. This is clip-ins. Yeah, this is the best curly clip-ins I've ever had. Like, I don't know what else to say. Like, this hair is so cute and it's super soft. So if you want to see how I got this look, as in these clip-ins, stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Yo, this is my natural hair. I have not combed it in a few days. It's looking a little untamed, but that's okay. Like, this is my natural hair, my natural curl pattern. So this is what it looks like after sleeping on it and just kind of walking around the house like this throughout the last 5 days. So yeah, I don't put it up in a pineapple. I literally just throw my bonnet on, take it off, throw it on, and take it off. So this is why my hair looks like this. Okay, so this is the box, and then inside of the box we have a little pack. That's cute. So let's get into that first. So inside this pack there is this detangling brush. Super cute, super needed, super necessary detangling brush. We have a bonnet. So we have a bonnet, and then we have a little pack of some extra clip-ins and some extra clips that you may or may not need. But you know, if a clip ever breaks, you have it on hand. So that's cute. So this is the Puerto kinky curly 18-inch hair. So if you have a phone, you can pull out your phone right now and go ahead, scan this QR code so that y'all can get this hair too. I don't never come on camera looking like this, y'all. This is completely new to me. So the hair does come in this satin bag. So this is the hair. Now this is the water kinky wave. They do have a whole bunch of different textures on their website. Okay, it's a lot of them. This is the curl pattern, and I'm pretty sure it changes after you wet it, wash it, co-wash it and stuff, and it is super soft. All right, so let's get into this video. I'm about to braid down my hair. I am gonna leave my leave out just to kind of get it out the way. You don't have to braid your hair to do this style. The longer you use, that way I could just clip it on and clip it off at night or whatever. Let's get into this braid down. So I'm thinking the side part would be better. My hair has not been combed in so long. This is gonna take me 5 ever.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space.
Right, you guys, so I'm done braiding. I left out some edges on this side, and then I left out some leave out right here. This, if it's a side part, I'm never pushing it back or anything, so I'm not too worried about that. So now I'm about to add my Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Oil. Since my scalp is open or exposed, that's the perfect time to add some oil. So it comes with 2 5-clip bundles. Well, 2 tracks with 5 clips, 2 tracks with 4 clips, 2 tracks with 3 clips, and then 4 tracks with 2 clips. So I'm gonna take one of those 3 clips and just put it on, or clip it on. Now I'm gonna take a 4 clip, open up the clips, and then I'm gonna clip this one on. I'm kind of putting the clip inside of the braid, like taking the clip, tucking it in the braid, and then closing the clip. Make sure that clip stays in. All right, it's actually already looking cute. So now we're gonna go in with the 5 clip. So I started with the 3, I have a 4, a 3, 4, and now we're going in with the 5 clip track. I'm going to start on this side because I feel like it's gonna be a lot longer to reach all the way to the other side. Now let's go back to, I feel like we should do another 5. So we're gonna do the second 5 clip. Now the reason I like to get braids underneath is because first, I won't have that, you know, when some people have different textured hair and the hair doesn't match exactly, but you can make it match. Instead of trying to make all of my hair match this texture completely, I'll just braid it down, because you will see that line of like, girl, that's not yours. So I do feel like braids are your best bet, especially when doing clip-ins or, you know, anything honestly, but braids is definitely, you want to put that hair away or put your hair away. So it's kind of like a protective style underneath. Now, a second thing I want to say is when I'm clipping on the clips to the braid, I'm clipping it onto the braid because if something was to pull at my hair or at this hair, it's mine now. I don't have to worry about it pulling anything from my scalp. So if I was to clip it right here, it will feel like those little straggle hairs are getting pulled out, and that's how you get a bald spot, girl. So you want to clip it to the thickest part, which is the braid. So now the 3 clip is gonna go straight across because it's not gonna have room to go around this area. As you can see, this is pretty much covered up. That is so cute. Okay, now we are gonna go in with a 2 clipper at the top, and with this one I'm gonna kind of bring this clip a little bit forward to make it look like it's going down more, so it could be a little bit more into my face. And now we have 3 more 2 clips left, so we definitely have more than enough. Love having more than enough, because once you run short, you gotta like separate, you gotta take the whole thing out, do it over, separate some of them so it's not so close together. But these I put pretty close together and I still have extra left. So this is what it's looking like. This looks really good. I feel like this would be really cute with the braid out. We have 1 whole clip left. Now I could fit this in somewhere, which I might try to fit it into the back underneath that first clip. Okay, let's stick that in right here. But I'm going to spray my hair, my natural hair first with this mixture I have. I don't want to put too much product on the clip-ins. I'm just gonna spray my natural hair because I know what my natural hair needs. Let me just go wet my hair, actually. Let me just go wet it and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair. Just a little drenched, not too much, but just a little bit. I forgot that they sent a detangling brush, because that's what we're gonna use. What? Y'all see how smooth this is going through? This is crazy. So the hair does have a lot more length when it's like drenched wet. So yeah, just like regular natural hair, it's gonna have some shrinkage. I'm gonna just spray a little bit of my mixture. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty those curls. Nah, this is so pretty. This hair, nobody better not ask me if this is on my hair either, because yes, it is. This is unnecessary, my little finger coils, but I do this with all the hair that I've had. Once it dries and I pull them apart, it gives luscious. This really mimics natural hair. So I'm using this Lotta Body coconut and shea oil mousse, and I'm really just trying to put it on my hair and let it spread out to the bottom. I'm gonna let those dry just like that. Also, by twisting your natural hair with the extensions. Also helps blend the hair really well. So now let's work on them baby hairs. It's already starting to shrink up. Yeah, I'm just so excited. All right, guys, so here we are. I'm back with the finished result. This is about 30 minutes after drying. It still is a little damp on the inside, but you can tell how much it already grew. Like, it's already getting, you know, that little fro. And this is without cutting into layers or getting that diva curl cut, or, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about, like without getting it cut so that it could fit the way that I like my hair. But this is the curls that I kind of started doing in the beginning, the finger curl coils that I had did in the beginning. So they're still there, they're drying. Now I would probably braid out this hair or finger coil the whole head and then just let it dry, and then once it dries, pull them apart, because I just pulled this one apart and it's like it's still curled. Like, look at that. So I would do that and then pull all of them apart, but I really want to wait until the front one's dry to pull those apart. You know what, I'm gonna pull them apart anyways. My natural curls are a tad bit curlier, my hair being a little bit more kinkier than this, but it still goes. I love it. I love it. And it took what, 10 minutes to install? Like, this is that when you don't have nothing to do to your hair, so you need to go ahead and plop something on real quick. This hair comes in like tape-ins, micro links, bundles. You can get this in bundles. You can get the clip-ins. What else do they have? Yeah, they have so many different things, and you can get it longer than this. This, I believe, is the 18-inch. So this is the Water Kinky Curly Clip-In Hair Extensions, 3B, 3C hair texture. Now, I should have probably went with like a 3C, 4A kind of texture, but this still works. Like, it still, I feel like it still matches my texture hair. So my hair is a mix of different curls and curl patterns. So I do have like 3B, 3C hair, and then I also have certain sections of my hair that's 3C, 4A, and sometimes even 4B. Yeah, that's another reason why I felt like braiding down my hair would be the best option to go with, because my hair has so many different patterns. Even if I did want to just install one type of pattern like this, it would kind of just be all over the place. So definitely think about braiding down your hair. I mean, at night you could just take your clip-ins on, and in the morning you could just clip them back on without having to worry about blending too much or doing any of that. This hair is super pretty. Once again, it is from Curlsqueen. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Follow me on social media, which will be popped up right here. Oh yeah, comment down below. Again, another video. Comment down below if y'all want to see me do a braid out or some type of natural hairstyling to this hair, because I feel like that would look so good. Like a braid out or flexi rod set, even a perm rod set would look so cute. And then I could probably even do like a half up, half down. I think we coming up with some ideas, y'all. That is all for this video. So until next time, bye.